Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and for those that have returned, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share what I received from my swap partner. We're doing the hashtag ugly paper swap, hosted by Judy's Scrapbook Loft, or I'll have the information down below. Geez, I forgot about that. I think I have it written down. Hold on a second. My Scrapbook Loft, but her name is Judy, and it's the Ugly Paper Swap 2023. My partner was Crystal. Let me see, Crystal Davis, and she's a new crafter, or a new YouTuber, or a new crafter. I'm thinking. So welcome, Crystal. So I just got this in the mail. I kind of cut the end here. So let's open. Okay, so what we were supposed to send our partners was 3 sheets of our interpretation of ugly paper. 6x6 sheet of paper, and that's it. You didn't have to attach anything. Oh my god. This is not ugly paper. Oh my goodness. Well, here's a note, and she has sent me a whole bunch of die cuts. Oh my gosh, Crystal, you did not have to do that, but oh my, okay, I'll share that. So let's read the note. She says, "Dear Tereese, I hope you enjoy this paper more than I did. I carefully weighed to get full use of my one stamp." Oh, that's so cool. "Keep adding random something up to the limit. Have fun. Thanks, Crystal." Oh my gosh, Crystal, you're so sweet. So here is her ugly paper. This is really shiny paper. Shiny paper. This is really pretty. It's almost like a water, or like paintbrush strokes. It's really pretty. Oh, it's cool. It's on both sides. She thinks this is ugly. That's too funny. It's unique. I think this is great for like what do you call it? Mixed media, or even junk journaling. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't think this is ugly at all. Maybe the paper I sent you was probably, it was uglier than this. Definitely uglier than this. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Thank you. And then she's given me some die cuts. Oh my gosh. Look at all these butterfly die cuts. Or it might have been a punch, and she punched out a whole shmew. A shmew, is that a word? Of different kind of, oh, cute. This says joy. Love that. And then, oh, look at the Eiffel Tower die cut. Oh, look at this bike die cut. Oh my gosh, that is cute. And then this says pals for life. Love that. And then she's given me some circles. Ooh, I love that one. I love anything vintage. So anything that comes to me that looks vintage, I'm like, ooh, look at this cute little tag. And then this is a punch, right? I think this is a punch. Let me bring it down here. You guys are too far away. So thank you for all this extra die cuts. And oh my god. Oh, look. That is a dragonfly. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. And here's an arrow. and a banner and all of these. Oops, hold on. Ooh, this is a cute shade. This is a punch. This is a punch. Sorry. And then all these butterflies. Oh, this is oh my gosh. This is a teeny dragonfly. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. Thank you so much, Crystal. And I can't wait to come back and share what I create with all this. This is so much. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you, Crystal, for your swap. And I can't wait to see what you create with my papers that I sent to you. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week. This weekend is so busy. This whole week is busy for me. My daughter's going to college next week, and we're just kind of collecting all the odds and ends of all the stuff for her dorm. And I swear, I don't know how people do this when they go to a different state because thank goodness she's within our state, so it's not going to be too bad. So yeah, and it's just so much stuff. Anyway, enough rambling. Thanks everybody. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.